Hey everyone, so if you are stumbled on this video, that means you are preparing for GATE 2027 exams. So there is a amazing news for all the GATE aspirants as well as for me. So the the news is that the NPTEL, right, the body which is conduct the GATE exam and provide all this GATE exam question papers, is giving us a free mock test for 25 mock test. There will be a 25 mock test for free to all the GATE aspirants, and they can just log in for free and without any charges. Register on this portal, go to this, and this is the website. Visit this website. After visiting this website, go to the practice set, go to courses, and after that you can register on all these things. And the GATE exam will start on 16 August 2026, and the timing will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And yeah, this is all the things, and your account will be enabled after 48 hours of verifications and all these things. So this is a very amazing and fantastic opportunity for all the GATE aspirants, right? So one more thing, if you skip this mock test, you will never get this mock test again, right? So maybe it's like there are some rumors like you can't access this one particular any you have to do your mock test and from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's all, right? If you can do this from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., then it will be lost, right? And from this and all this, right? Only the serious people will do that. And if you're serious, go check this website, log in, and if you want some more PYQs website, make sure comment it. And if anything goes wrong, please ask me anything. I will try to help it. Thank you so much.